cokodive order is here. Oh my god. So many albums came with gifts. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are all my pre-order benefits. So this is not even from the albums, like everything is sealed. I also got some of these like card covers. Help, these are so cute. And I have double Lino and double Han and double Sungmin. And I think those are the doubles. But oh my god, amazing. Amazing. I love them all so much. Stop. I'm really curious what's in the blind boxes. I'm just getting ready right now. I'm so bad at makeup. I've been doing this makeup look for 16 years now. And it's always the same products as well. Today I have an appointment at 1 o'clock at a store. And then I'm also going to quickly go to Ikea to pick something up. And I have to film some unboxings right now for collaborations before I go. But I'm just really slow. I've been inside of the house for almost 2 months. Except for the Enhypen concert. And I had like the sleepover with Felice. It was my last vlog. After a while you just don't want to leave the house anymore, you know? If you're inside all the time, it's kind of like weird to go outside and do things. I'm obviously a freelancer, so I don't have to go anywhere. But it's just crazy to me that some people go outside every day, and they have a social life as well, and they go to the gym every day. I feel like I'm still recovering from last weekend. It's literally Friday right now. I finished rewatching Alice in Borderland season 1 and 2 because next week the new season's dropping. I'm so excited. I'm kind of done with my makeup, I guess. I just need to put on some gloss. My lips always look so dry. Some packages over here that I'm going to unbox. I booked a trip to Seoul. I'll be going in a few weeks and I'll be there for a month. And there are so many things happening while I'm there. Right when I arrive, the encore is already like starting for Stray Kids. Then the week after that is Enhypen and Lino's birthday. There's an Eyelid fan meeting, an ISDA fan meeting. IVE is having a concert. NCT Wish is having a concert. There's so much going on. But yeah, let's film the collaborations. Oh my god, you guys, look at everything that cokodive sent to me. This is so crazy. I got my first ever light stick. And oh my god, the Hankoka Tamagotchi. And I pulled Lino in one of the Karma albums. And look at this beautiful Sungmin PC. Goodbye. But yeah, it's crazy. Here's the Jin album. There's 2 albums over there. I got 2 light sticks here. Look at this cute little RJ plug. I need to hurry up now and go to my appointment that I have. So I've just been to Faria World. I got a goodie bag and I'm so happy with it. Now gonna go to Ikea, but I think we're first gonna go to Primark. I'm back home. It's so warm. What the helly? I always like wear a sweater, doesn't matter what the temperature is. But today it's suddenly like a really weird kind of like last summer day vibes, if you get what I'm saying. Like it was already getting into the fall spirit, and then usually there's one day where it's like, today it's 28 degrees. I had an appointment at one of my favorite K-pop stores. We're going to be working together and they gave me a bag full of goodies. Then we went to Ikea because I got this pink pegboard. Like I already have the white ones and one upstairs, but this is basically my favorite color together with black. So green clips on it. So it's like a minsung board. So I'm gonna get really cute photos and make it like a whole minsung board. I thought that that would be cute. One of my posters low-key fell off last night. Like, do you see? It's just floating. I ordered new posters already. Like obviously this one's new. This one's new. And then I put some new things on the wall. I literally got it out of albums. But yeah, look at this mess. Look at the sun. I hate it so much. Let's close this up. I'm going to clean my room. And then I'm probably gonna film this unboxing. Like, what the helly? So cute. Because I'm gonna go to the IVE concert in Korea soon. They literally gave me one of each member. These are like unofficial skazoos, and they have like, oh, and they're like Halloween themed. And then I already saw that there's an NCT Wish album in here. I'm very excited for that. And an IVE album. But yeah, this is such a mess. Oh my god, oh my god. I am very happy with the light stick. Like, oh my god. I didn't have a light stick before this. And look at all these albums. It's all the member versions and 2 of these. I have 2 of these and then 1 of the blue and the white version. These are my Jin pulls. I have work to do as well. It's already 4 o'clock. I'm first gonna shower because I don't like wearing makeup. I wear makeup like once a month or once every 2 months. And look what I got at Urban Outfitters. I've been looking for a Bobby Goods like official coloring thing. So half of these are postcards and then half of it is like coloring pages. So that's really fun. So I feel like maybe I can film something for this. Another PR box there with stuff that I got. And then the bottom box is also something I got. It's a CD player and I'm gonna like fully deco it. And in the little baggie is like a magic wand. I saw this like craft online that I want to do, but I can't find my Decoden stuff. This is like the only storage I have. And basically this, like all my clothes are in these 3 cubes. Why is there so much stuff here? Oh my god, I can't. This is so dusty, don't even look at it. And then this is kind of like a mix of everything. This is just because I don't have any other space for it. Usually this is not here. Like this is all my like cameras, wires, everything. Then in here is mostly PR, but also some of my own like makeup and skincare. And then over here, this is all PR that I got. Isn't that crazy? I have to go out in the rain to deliver some packages. I unboxed so many things yesterday. This is the IVE secret and I pulled the plushie from my bias, so that's really cute. So I'm gonna go out in the rain now to deliver those packages and do some groceries. Already 3 o'clock. And I think after going outside, I'm going to watch a K-drama. We started Mouse yesterday because so many people recommended it. Loki just want to lay in bed. He looks so cozy. 여기라고? 뉴스에선 배수로라던데? 연수정이 딸 먹이려고 손님 남긴 밥을 싸주고. It's currently the next day. I'm literally editing this vlog right now. You're probably like, why are we in your room again? But like I said, I don't ever really go anywhere. But since this has been such a like big unboxing kind of video, I was like, let's unbox some more. I'm gonna film a video for this right now. This is the CD player. I picked the white one. And I need to see if I have lace. This is low-key so funny, but I need this for a DIY and I have no idea if I can like make it happen because I have to cut this open and I'm not sure if the Decoden stuff that I have is still like usable because it's like old, but we'll see. I still have this. I also have some pink. I also got some bows. So I have quite a lot of this stuff. It's so insane how full these drawers are. As you can see, the cleaning has not been very successful. There's stuff everywhere. But yeah, I'm first gonna film a video with the CD player because that one is highest priority. And here's an update no one asked, but this is currently my town. I'm on this level. Oh my god. So many of you edit me on here. So fun. We can send each other gifts. But I made the field all look cute. As you can see, this is a little bit messy. There's no roads. It's just buildings, buildings, buildings. But I recently expanded, so now I can like make it cute.